Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE X80, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the test mode. So to get started, let's hold power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down. So let's start right now, power and volume down, both of them at the same time. And I believe I just held it for a little bit too long, so let's keep holding it. There we go. So you can see you let go when the DOOGEE logo shows up on the screen. And from here, using volume keys, I believe only volume down, yep, only volume down goes down and up doesn't do anything. So using volume down, you want to select the clear eMMC, which is a third from the bottom option and the only one that actually has a letters, the normal alphabet, at least for me, so the eMMC is visible there. And once it's selected, press power key to confirm it, and this will begin the format. So this will take about a minute or two, and once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And there we go, as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.